In today's video, I am going to teach you how to promote your website using Wix marketing tools. Start by opening your Wix account and going to your website dashboard. This is where you can access the tools connected to your site and manage your marketing from one place. From the left side menu, click on Marketing. This section brings together the main promotional tools available inside Wix. Here, you will see several options designed to help you grow your website traffic and reach more people online. Next, choose the marketing tool you want to use. Depending on your goals, you may select SEO and GEO, Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, social media marketing, referral program, or Google Business Profile. Each tool supports a different type of promotion, so choose the one that best matches the audience you want to reach. After that, open the selected tool. Wix will guide you into the setup area for that marketing option. Follow the instructions shown on screen to connect an existing account or create a new campaign if needed. Once the setup begins, customize your campaign details. Add your content, choose your audience, set your budget, and adjust any other settings available for that tool. The exact options may vary depending on which marketing feature you are using, but the overall process is similar across the platform. When your settings are ready, save your campaign. This helps make sure your work is stored before you move forward. After saving, review the campaign details one more time, then launch or publish the campaign when you are ready to make it live. After your campaign is active, go back to the marketing section of your Wix dashboard. From there, you can manage additional marketing channels and create more campaigns using other Wix tools. This is useful if you want to promote your website in more than one way and reach people across different platforms. It is also important to monitor performance after launch. Check your campaign results regularly and look at the available analytics. If something needs improvement, update your content, targeting, budget, or other campaign settings to improve results over time. You can repeat this same process with other Wix marketing tools to expand your website's reach and build a stronger online presence. The more effectively you manage each channel, the more opportunities you create for people to discover your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.